Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the scene and gathering what you need. This saves time and prevents injury. First, set the parking brake and switch on hazards so other drivers see you. Once done, pull out a jack and lug wrench, a socket set, gloves, and a flashlight. Have parts bags ready. Now do a quick visual of obvious damage. Look for fluid leaks, a flat or shredded tire, bent suspension links, or deployed airbags. Those dictate the next repair steps. You now remove damaged external parts to reach what's broken. Work methodically and label everything so reassembly is straightforward. Start by taking off the wheel and damaged panels, then test suspension travel and inspect control arms, tie rods, radiator, and steering rack for bends or leaks. Once parts are exposed, measure alignment and compare frame rail gaps to factory specs. If the subframe or rail is bent beyond tolerance, you must replace it rather than attempt a temporary fix. Make decisions based on safety margins and parts availability. You complete repairs by installing new or professionally straightened components and carefully reassembling in reverse order. Torque every bolt to factory specifications using a torque wrench so nothing works loose. Once assembled, refill and bleed fluids, brake, coolant, and power steering, then reset or replace airbags and sensors as required. After checks, take a short, cautious test drive and monitor steering, braking, and warning lights. If you feel pulling, vibration, or persistent dash warnings, stop immediately and reassess. One key troubleshooting tip: a persistent pull.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.